I've been waiting about 3 months for this package to arrive, and it is finally here. Hey everybody, it's Karina from Diem Thrifts. If you are new here, I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, and we got a little unboxing for you guys. But before we do that, I'm going to do my reseller highlight. Every video this month, I'm going to be highlighting somebody in the Poshmark community whose closet I have shopped from, and this person, I don't really know if they're active on the Poshmark community, but I bought them from their Poshmark closet and I wanted to share them because I'm absolutely obsessed with these sweatpants. Definitely not the best angle, but they are from the brand Aloe, and they are so comfy. Like, I'm so excited for fall and winter and just like cozy things. I keep buying like sweatpants and sweaters and jackets because I just want to wear all of them already. But anyway, I bought this from Spear Morgan on Poshmark, so if you guys want to check out her closet, she's got a lot of really cute stuff for really great prices, so definitely check her out. And now let's get into the haul. Like I said, I've been waiting almost 3 months for this. This was purchased on May 6th, 2021. The day that I'm filming this is August 1st, so almost 3 months. This is the advanced CPR box from Jomar. So this is supposed to be like really high-end, great pre-owned stuff, and I've been wanting this box for a really long time. Had I known it was going to take 3 months, I probably wouldn't have purchased it. The company did reach out to me several times to apologize for the wait, and offered to like refund me if I didn't want to wait any longer, but you know, I was just like, I'm in this deep, and so I just gotta see it through. So it is here now, and I can't wait to open it for you guys. I really hope this isn't like a disappointment because I've waited this long, but we'll see. So the thing about this box that I want to warn anybody before they buy it is that they will put them up for sale, but that doesn't mean they have it in stock, and that's why my box took so long. They have to curate the pieces that go in here from wherever they get their inventory, and so they have a list of all the people who have purchased the box at like whenever they make it live, and then they go through and they pack each person's box. So that's why it took mine a long time to get here. It was not in stock, and I was really low on the list, so it took 10 years to get to me. But I'm really hoping that this is a good box, and yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you were considering purchasing this, that it's probably going to take a long time. If you are looking for fast inventory from Jomar, they do have a section on their website for ships next day or things like that, so those come faster, obviously. And let's see, I don't remember how many pieces are in here. Let's look on this guy. So there are 20 pieces in here. This is the CPR Premium Assorted Mix of Women's Gently Pre-Loved Clothing. And it doesn't say how much I paid for it on here. Oh, here. Okay, I paid $315, but I got a discount. I don't know what the discount was, but I ended up paying after shipping $306.46 for this box. So I really hope this is good, but let's get into it. This is what it looks like off the top. It's kind of heavy, so this tissue paper does nothing, Jomar. I don't even know why you add that to your packages. It does absolutely nothing. But here's the first piece. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a little one-shoulder ruffle denim romper. It's a romper. Even more exciting. And this brand has been on my bolo list. I have not found it out in the wild yet. It is the brand Alexis, and I'm so excited. I'm really happy about this. I would definitely pick this up if I found this like at Goodwill or at a buy sell trade store, obviously if it was the right price. But very, very happy about this. Next piece. Let's see, what is this? Okay. These are a pair of jeans from Kate Spade. There's the tag. I don't think I've ever sold jeans from Kate Spade, like jeans like this, but they're kind of like a Is that like a wide leg? Maybe like a flare? I don't know. Wide leg jean. So they're in style, I guess. They're size 24. So yeah, I don't know how these will do. I'll have to look up comps on that, but they're in good condition, so can't be mad at it. Alright, so this is like a knit of some kind. Okay, so this brand is Escada, and I actually just sent an Escada cardigan into the Reel, so I might do the same with this, but it's just like a white knit. It's got a little bit of like stains on the back of the sleeve here. They're very faint, so I don't even think they'll show up on camera. Yeah, so I'll probably send that into the Reel, but we'll see because I don't have a lot of stuff at the moment to send in. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like a floral asymmetric ruffle skirt, and the brand is Alice and Olivia. There's the tag there. This is really pretty. I'm very happy with this. I love this style. It's a size 0, so this is a smaller size. A lot of the pieces that I have taken out so far have been smaller, but I'm happy with this. So far, I'm not mad. This was worth the 3-month wait. Okay, here is another little dress. It's got these spaghetti straps, a v-neck, and like a tiered skirt. And the brand is, I'm gonna butcher this, Etoile by Isabel Marant. There's the tag. The first time that I found this brand was actually at Nordstrom Rack. This was years ago when they had like a random sale, or it wasn't really a sale, it wasn't like announced or anything, but they had marked a whole bunch of the clearance down to like $4, and so resellers were like bum rushing the stores to find a bunch of stuff for $4, and I found an Isabel Marant tank. So that was, yeah, that was exciting. Okay, next piece. I've never sold this brand before. This is a little printed blouse, and the brand is Tucker. I didn't know that this was a good brand, so I might be wrong, but it's got a weird tag on it. It's like it was sold at like a pop-up or something, and it says vintage Tucker silk blouse, $148. So I'll have to look this up because I'm not familiar with this brand, but it is silk and it's a size large, so we'll try that out. Okay, ooh, this is like a swim piece from a brand that I have. Look at the tag on this thing. This is like the retail tag. It's like a pom-pom or tassel or something. Anyway, this is Msgm Milano. I feel like I might have heard of this brand, but I don't really know what it is. And it's just like a color block one-piece swimsuit. It says it was made in Italy. So here's the tag here. I'm gonna have to look this up because I don't know anything about this brand, but it's cute. It's got a little low back there. So there's that. Here's another denim piece. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Wow, this has probably been one of my best boxes so far that I've like ever bought. Dare I say that it's from Jomar, she who must not be named? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a denim romper. And it's got that lace detail in the front, and it's by the brand C. There's a tag. And this has also been another brand that's been on my BOLO list. I have a question for you guys. If you guys have a BOLO list, do you cross it off even if you get it in like a mystery box, or does it only count when you find it out in the wild? So like at a thrift store. Do buy sell trade stores count? Does like sourcing it off Poshmark count? Let me know, because I don't know about that. I mean, obviously it's all personal. It doesn't really matter, but I'm curious how you guys keep track of your BOLOs. So here's another swimsuit, and this is, wow, this is, I'm blown away. Another brand that's been on my BOLO list that I've never found before. It is Zimmerman, and this is a 2-piece swim set. So it's really light. It's like a silver thing, so I don't know if you can see the tag, but there it is. It's just a 2-piece bikini. So here's the bottom, And then here is the matching top, and it's kind of like a halter style. Very cute. I gotta get all these swimwear listed like right now before summer's over. I could tell already just by the buttons on this. Here is a St. John blazer jacket. I've learned from selling St. John that the jackets do well, but it does even better if you have a matching set. So if you find like pants or like just a tank top or something, it might be harder to sell. So I'll try to keep pieces and then see if I can like ever find like a similar skirt or something. But I think this is really nice. It's got a little bit of stains on the sleeve, but this is really pretty. I love it. And the buttons, they have like an SJ on them. And it's just such good quality. So very happy about that. St. John was in my top brand video. If you guys haven't seen that, I will link that up above. I was sharing all of my top brands, and that was actually in collaboration with some other sellers, and we all got to share like our top 10 brands. Okay, anyway, next piece is a little shift dress. It's silk, I think, and it's from the brand Parker, which is hit or miss for me, and it sells on Revolve. It also sells at like Nordstrom and like things like that. But I don't know, I feel like the styles of Parker can be a little dated, so I'll have to try this one out. But it is very good quality. I don't see any stains or anything on it, so not mad at it. Okay, here is a highlighter yellow striped sweater. That's real bright. That's like actually highlighter yellow. But it is the brand ALC. So there's a tag there. This brand sits for me. It retails for a lot, and I know that some pieces sell really well, but I guess just the pieces that I've been finding or that I have found in the past haven't been super desirable. So I'm excited to see how this does. I mean, it is kind of obnoxiously yellow, so we'll see. Okay, next piece is... Every single piece I pull out just like blows me away. This is absolutely gorgeous. It is this peach pleated like midi skirt, and it is from the brand Celine. There's the tag there. This is definitely vintage. I'll have to see if this has a good resale rate on Poshmark or if I should just send this into the RealReal. But this is so cool. I love the detailing here. It's like leather straps with this gold like buckle kind of looking thing, but I love this. Okay, this feels like another little silk piece. Where's the tag at? Okay, new brand to me. I've never heard of this before, but it is Timo Wieland. There's the tag. And it is a silk, like, square print top with this, I don't even know what this is, kind of like a lace applique, I don't know, detailing on the back and on the shoulders. Feels like it's really good quality, but I'll have to look up comps on that. Okay, here is a little cardigan sweater. This is probably like one of the least exciting things in the box so far. It's by Diane von Furstenberg, and it's just a little printed cardigan. I don't know if this is the, I think this is the older tag, so I'm not 100% sure if this will sell for that much, but we'll try it out, or I'll send it into the RealReal or something. Here's another piece. There's a dry cleaning tag on, or like a dry cleaning sticker on the tag, so I'm not 100% sure what it says. I'm trying to see if there's like another tag in here. But it is like a little lace peplum style ruffle top. But there's the tag, and yeah, as you can see, the dry cleaning stickers on there. So I'm gonna have to try to remove that so I can read what this is, but I can't do that right now. So very cute though. Kind of reminds me of like a self-portrait piece, or even like a Lexus. Here's another piece of denim. Awesome. Very excited about this brand. I know that a lot of wholesalers have like boxes of this particular brand available right now, but they are a little bit pricey. I considered buying one, but it's just a little too much for me at the moment. And the brand is Legence or Legence. I don't know how to say that, but there's a tag. And it's just a pair of denim jeans. They're skinny jeans, and do they have like a style name in them or something? No, they are a size 29, but maybe this will give me like a good way to like test this brand out before I consider buying one of those boxes if they're still available. But I've never found that brand either, so excited about that. So the next piece is this Rebecca Taylor. It's like a navy blue ruffle mini dress, kind of like a pencil or sheath dress. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know the styles of dresses. And this is a size 8. This is the older tag and an older style, so I'll have to look up comps on this. Next is a pair of pants from All Saints. Here's the All Saints tag. These are kind of like a jogger style, so they have an elastic band on the top, and they also have elastics around the ankles. So these are nice. I've never seen this like style of pant from All Saints before, so we'll try that out. And this is the last piece in the box. I've never heard of this brand, but this is a like knit bomber jacket, and the brand is Suzanne Ray. It's really light, so I have no idea if you can read that. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'll have to look up comps, but it feels nice. It is a wool acrylic polyester blend. It says it was made in New York City. And yeah, I mean, it feels like it's really good quality, so I'll have to do a little bit of research on this, but I'm excited. Jackets are one of my best selling pieces on Poshmark, so excited to get that listed. But that was my box, my CPR Advanced Premium box from Jomar. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with it. I wish it didn't take so long for it to ship out. I'm convinced I'll be able to make a good profit off of it. So very excited. Have you guys purchased this box before? Let me know down below. I'm also looking into maybe buying like their regular CPR box, just like the basic brands. So if you guys have bought that box before, let me know as well. And I guess that is it. I have a lot more inventory that I've gotten in from like ThreadUp. I actually have another Jomar box coming in, so stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot of unboxings for you guys. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that button down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!